Now what we see is the wood pulp. As the supporting rack rolls, the pulp enters the grinder. The electric crane in the grinder will hook up the wood pulp onto 4 racks. It's convenient and doesn't take much space. 2 of the electronic monitor-controlled wood pulp racks are in use at the same time, while the other 2 are on standby. When the wood pulp is about to run out, the electronic monitor will trigger the alarm system and notify workers to send in more wood pulp so the manufacturing process will not be interrupted. The high-horsepower grinder can provide paper fiber cotton to make 250 disposables per minute and is capable of recycling the trimmed edges. The ground and formed paper fiber cotton are drawn into the shaping web by a suction box and brushed evenly on the shaping web by the mixing brush. In order to increase absorbency, the pad is sprayed with polymers and then wrapped and trimmed around the absorbent body. The automatic joint absorbent rack is operated in the turning around manner. There are 2 racks, one of which is in use and the other one on standby. When the absorbent sheets on the one rack are about to run out, the electronic monitor will alarm the system, and the standby rack will carry spare absorbent sheets to the operating position. This allows it to automatically continue the process. When the paper fiber cotton is sent through the shaping web, it is sprayed with adhesive, as is the inner side of the absorbent sheet. Then it is wrapped tightly by the folding board to form the absorbent body. The absorbent body will be embossed solidly to increase its strength. Finally, it will be cut and trimmed by the circle knife. The circle knife is a full structure and comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. They are easy to maintain and to change sizes. The 3-dimensional cutting is designed to fit a baby's hip and inner thighs to make the diaper more comfortable. After the non-woven enclosed processing, the major part of the disposable diaper is almost finished. Remaining are the accessories designed to increase the stability, including PE film, elastic bands, and free fix tapes. Now, we want to show you the PE film rack. Its structure and function are basically the same as the non-woven rack and is equipped with an edge tracer and connector cutting alarm. The elastic bands are on both sides of the PE film and controlled by PLC. They are sprayed with an appropriated hot adhesive and adhere together with the PE film. This will help prevent leakage on the sides. If the elastic bands break for whatever reason during the process, the electronic monitor will detect it, stop the process, and wait for workers to handle it. The adjustable taping machine is controlled by the variable speed controller. It can adjust itself for different sizes and put the tape appropriately at the front of the diaper. The advantage of the tape is that it can be opened and restuck to the taping bands and will not tear the PE film. This makes the product more convenient for the consumer. This is the adhesive tape machine. The adhesive tape is guided by several anti-adhesive wheels to the door-shaped blade and cut by the converting knife. Then, the vacuum stick is used to reverse the diaper, which has been sucked onto the blade, and half of the adhesive tape is attached onto the PE film, and the other half attached on the inner side of the diaper. The process is also controlled by an electronic monitor. Any diaper without adhesive tape will be separated at the inspection site. The manufacturing process is almost complete. The remaining tasks include to retrim the edges, cutting off individual diapers, and folding the diapers. Now we will show you the edge trimming, cutting, and folding processes. The circle knife is used to trim the edges. Its structure is similar to the one used for making the absorbent body. It also comes in a set of 3 sizes for easy maintenance and size adjusting. The trimmed-off waste is collected by the Waste Recycling Collection Fan and sent to the recycling net. It will be packaged and sold to plastic factories for reuse. This ensures better use of the resources and reduces waste at the same time. The trimmed and shaped diaper will be folded by the folding bar and pressed solidly by the pressing wheel. Then the PLC-controlled blade will cut off the diaper at the precise location, following exact intervals between diapers. The cut-off diapers are then folded, and the defective diapers are discarded based on a memory base by the PLC. After the defective products are discarded, the diapers will be pressed by the counting and packing machine and manually inspected. The quantity in each bag can be freely adjusted based upon the brand and size, and packed in PE bags by the machine. The machine has 2 outlets. They can be in operation at the same time or just one at a time based on the factory's needs. The pneumatic machine can pack the diapers very tightly and reduce the volume of the diapers for easy transportation. Finally, the diapers are packed in PE bags and put on a conveyor to the sealing section. The excess edges of the bag have to be trimmed off. The diapers can be packed in different sizes and by various quantities. The packaging process is flexible and convenient. At this point, the manufacturing process is complete